So let's check out our carrots. 2 weeks ago, they were starting to come out of the ground and germinate, but now you can see that they've grown enough where we're able to do some carrot thinning. Now, the reason why we thin is to give enough room for the carrots to grow. Some of you, and you know who you are, have been a little bit of overplanters. So here's a perfect situation where we want to be able to thin. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see right here, there's 3 plants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these 2 plants right here and this one. I'm going to get rid of, in this area here, here's 2 stray ones. I'm going to get rid of those. Now look at this here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrot plants here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the last one on each side, and I'm going to pull out these 3. Now the reason they're coming out so easily is because I've wet down the bed first to make them easier to pop out. So I'm going to go through the entire bed, make sure to have at least 2 inches spacing, pull out any weeds periodically, and then we'll check in on this in another 2 weeks and see how they're doing.